What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is just going to be a little update video on project stuff. BMW still underway. It's kind of paused right now because I'm talking back and forth with the tuner to see if it's worth it to do this motor swap in this car versus pulling this motor apart and rebuilding it and boosting this motor. The reason being is this is an M52 motor. This is a M54 motor. It's a B30. That's an M52 B25, I think. So it's a 2.8 liter block with a 2.5 liter head, and it is a single Vanos. The reason that there's a tuning issue there is because this one's single Vanos, meaning it has variable valve timing on just the intake cam. And this motor is dual variable valve timing. So I don't know if I want to do a whole, full swap on putting a M52 in when realistically the M54 is superior for this car. There's a lot of benefits to doing the M52. Obviously my intake ports and everything are already opened up, and it's just a better flowing head. But there's a bunch of variables there that I have to go through and figure out if I'm going to stick with the B30 or go with the B25. But we'll get to that point. It's just kind of halted for now. We'll do some more content, hopefully in the future on this. I did pick up another project. I got rid of some projects and ended up picking another one up. The new project here is this Porsche. Picked up a 924. I got it for fairly cheap. I haven't quite figured out what exactly I want to do with it yet. I'm going to see if the engine is salvageable, for one, because I don't know what happened. I don't know if this was cut or taken off, or if it broke itself. It looks to be like it was cut. Hopefully that's all that's wrong. But after doing some research, I found out these are non-interference motors anyway, so from what I can find on the internet. So hopefully everything's good. I'm going to take all the CIS stuff off, and I'm just going to swap out for independent carburetors, and I'm just going to use a set of motorcycle carbs, which I got sitting right here. I was just kind of looking at them for mock-up to see how it'll look, and I'll have to delete all the CIS, delete the intake, and I ordered another intake for it already. So once that comes in, I'll show you guys how all that will go together to fit on there. Before I spend all the time doing that, I want to make sure the motor's okay. So I got a timing belt and stuff coming in to get all that put back together, and test compression and stuff on it. So we'll figure that out. Also got to find timing covers and stuff, because I didn't see them in the car. I didn't do a real good thorough look, but the car's, it's alright. It's got a clean body. The transmission's not in it right now. It's a transaxle car, so that's sitting over in the garage. And I got 2 seats to go in here, not this half a rusty thing that's sitting in here. But I gotta put the fuel tank back in it. The dash is surprisingly really good. Usually they split bad all around the bezel here from what I can see, and this one's only got a single crack right there. The rest of it's all pretty straight. So this is a new project. It'll be fun. I got it outside to see if there's any leaks in the roof, and right now I'm seeing no leaks from sitting in the rain all day, which is great. So that's something to look forward to. I did tape up the hole back here, and it has I believe this is a 944 spoiler on it. So someone probably put a 944 hatch on it at one point. But another project. We'll get to messing with this. I gotta go through the whole brake system. I gotta go through the fuel system, put the transmission back in, figure out why the transmission was taken out actually. I'm not sure what the situation was there. The rumor was that it was a parts car, and then the person that pulled the parts didn't end up using them, so they just sold them with the car. And then I received them from the person that received it from another person, so it's just kind of been shuffled about, and I'm going to see if I can get it back on the road and get it running and driving. That's pretty much that. Sorry for the long unedited video, just a little update to the channel. just so you guys know what's going on.